All right, this is the Flashy 3.0 update. We've done something pretty cool. We've made it so you can just press the button and the LED stays activated. We did this by embedding a microcontroller, and this enables us to do a few other cool things. So you can think of this essentially as two different flashlights. You have the bottom LED, you have the top LED. Bottom LED is kind of cool because you can be hip wearing this and it'll illuminate the ground below you. If we go to the top one here and we press it multiple times in succession, it's going to start cycling modes. So we'll go, it's mode 2 is red, 1, 2, 3. It's mode green. Red and green mode can be useful for protecting your night vision and also not disturbing wildlife, as most animals can't see red or green as well as they can the white LED. So let's keep going through modes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is dual mode. We think this would be handy, like if you're in a tent and you have this suspended by a lanyard, you'll get some, task lighting going directly down, and then this would reflect off of the top of your tent to give you kind of a nice diffuse light. Let's keep going through the modes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We call this 50-hour mode, or mode 5 for 50 hours. There's also an automatic off feature that you can program this by holding both buttons at the same time. We'll cover that a little bit later here. Let's keep going through the modes here. By the way, these are two Energizer 377, 376 dual drain cells inside of this. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is emergency marine mode, and this is be handy if your lights go off on a boat. That can be a dangerous situation, so we put this mode in there so you can signal to other vessels your direction of travel. And the final mode we're going to show here is mode 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We call this road flare mode. This would be handy if you're broken down on the side of the road and you don't have any lights on your vehicle. You can signal to other drivers, hey, slow down, there's something going on up here. So let's check out some of the advanced programming features on this. So you can configure automatic off by pressing both buttons at the same time and then just letting go. So we just did one green blink there. That means 10 minutes. So you can go all the way up to 6 blinks, which will be 60 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you release and it's going to flash back your input. You'll get 6 red flashes. Now it's in 60-minute cooldown or automatic off. There's also, if you go to 7, that's going to disable the automatic off feature. All right, so this is Standby Sentinel, and what this does is it'll micro blink the LEDs and it'll last for 180 days like that. It's kind of hard for the camera to pick it up, but you are getting a little micro blink about once per second out of both LEDs. 180-day standby time with this. So if you drop your tool, it's kind of a nice little mode. You enable this by holding for 8 green blinks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you release it. It's going to blink back 8 times. To disable it, you go for 9 blinks. And again, the factory reset is 10 blinks. So if you want to reset everything in the flashlight, hold both of these until you get 10 green blinks, release, and it's back to factory settings.